Hola a todos y buenas tardes. Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. So, for today, you're going to be working on these slides that are titled Lasfechas practice. And that just means practice with the dates. So, it's going to focus on days of the week, months of the year, and stating the date. So, you have about 30 slides to complete. First, at the top of many of the slides, it says, ¿Cómo se dice en español? That just means, how do you say it in Spanish? So how do you say Sunday in Spanish? You're just going to go through the steps on the slide and do things like perhaps drag the box over around the correct answer. Each slide will give you directions. So as you click through, you'll just go ahead and take care of what each slide says to do. And when you get to writing the months of the year, I'm really requesting that you spell them correctly. It makes sense to learn them the right way. So, what is your resource going to be for this? What can you look at? You can go to Google Classroom, your regular in person Google Classroom. So, period 1, 2, or 5. Open up Capítulo Preliminar, which we talked about already, and scroll down. This is all stuff we've been working on. You will find the days of the week here, and you will find the months of the year here. So that is your reference for all things spelling, translating, etc. Again, that's called the Capítulo Preliminar. It is under vocab lists in the classwork section of your regular Google Classroom. So as you click through, you're going to find some really simple things, hopefully, to do here. And following the directions. And when it says escribe la fecha en español, that just means to write the date in Spanish. And this is your model. If you could go the extra step and write out the number, I am appreciating that. For example, instead of typing the 8 for December, type el ocho de diciembre. Remember, this should be done within the class period, so hopefully it's turned in by about 2:35. Give or take a few minutes is fine. All right, buena suerte, good luck.